Hello guys, welcome to Raza Learning Hub. In this video we can find the value of this expression, which is 7 divided by 7 divided by 7 and divided by 7. If you are genius, then before watching the video, please subscribe my channel and comment. And if you are student, then follow my method. Okay guys, so firstly we can solve this question from left side. In this expression 3 division is present, so we can solve this from left to right. So 7 divided by 7, which is 1 divided by 7 divided by 7. Okay guys, so I can write here this is 1 divided by 7 divided by 7. So according to the rule of KCF, where K stands for keep, C stands for change and F stands for flip, we can write this as 1 divided by 7 times 1 divided by 7. Now numerator is multiplied to numerator and denominator is multiplied to denominator. So the final answer of this question is 1 divided by 49. Guys, this is the final answer of this expression. If anywhere you can face an issue, then comment. I will reply your question. Thanks a lot.